How to enable share option in Facebook. So if you want to enable share option in your Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook, go for the upper right which has that three bar icon. Scroll down, go for settings and privacy. Go for settings. Under your settings, you will have preferences, right? Here you can simply go for audience and visibility, tap on profile and tagging, and here you will have an option of allow others to share your post to their stories. So simply toggle that option on. And once you've toggled that option on, now you need to go back and you need to choose a post that you have just added to your profile. So go for the profile and here you will have your post, right? So after opening your profile, scroll down and here you will have your post, right? So under your post, what you need to do is simply go for the upper right of that post which has that three dots and then go for edit privacy. Under your privacy, if you have chosen friends or friends accept or only me, then you need to simply remove that and you need to go for the public option. So if you choose the public option, then you will enable the share option in Facebook. Now everyone will be able to share that post on Facebook. So that's how you can enable share option, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.